Dates, the sweet fruits of the date palm tree, Phoenix dactylifera, have been associated with various health benefits, including potential effects on libido. There are many benefits of dates in our life, and let's understand more about dates in this video. Nutritional profile. Dates are dense in nutrients, containing vitamins, minerals, and dietary fiber. They are rich in natural sugars, including glucose, fructose, and sucrose, providing a quick source of energy. Dates also contain essential minerals such as potassium, magnesium, calcium, and phosphorus, which are important for overall health and well-being. Additionally, dates are a good source of antioxidants, including flavonoids, carotenoids, and phenolic acid compounds, which help protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. Potential effects on libido. While scientific research specifically examining the effects of dates on libido is limited, some cultures have traditionally regarded dates as an aphrodisiac. Dates' nutritional composition, including their high sugar content and rich nutrient profile, may contribute to increased energy levels and overall vitality, which could indirectly support sexual desire and performance. Dates contain certain compounds, such as flavonoids and phenolic acids, with potential benefits for cardiovascular health and blood circulation, which are important factors in sexual function. Health benefits. Heart health. The fiber, potassium, and antioxidants in dates may help support heart health by lowering cholesterol levels, reducing blood pressure, and protecting against oxidative stress. Digestive health. Dates are high in dietary fiber, which aids digestion and promotes regular bowel movements. They may help alleviate constipation and support gut health. Energy boost. Due to their natural sugar content, dates provide a quick source of energy, making them a popular snack choice for athletes and individuals needing a rapid energy boost. Bone health. Dates are a good source of minerals such as calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, which are essential for maintaining strong and healthy bones. Antioxidant protection. The antioxidants found in dates help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body, reducing the risk of chronic diseases and supporting overall health. Ways to incorporate dates. Dates can be consumed fresh or dried, and are commonly used in cooking, baking, and as a natural sweetener in various dishes. They can be enjoyed on their own as a snack or paired with nuts, cheese, or yogurt for a satisfying and nutritious treat. Dates can also be blended into smoothies, chopped and added to salads or oatmeal, or used as a natural sweetener in desserts and baked goods. Considerations. While dates offer numerous potential health benefits, they are also calorie-dense due to their sugar content. Individuals watching their calorie intake or managing blood sugar levels should consume dates in moderation. People with diabetes should be mindful of their date consumption due to their high natural sugar content. Individuals with allergies to dates or other fruits in the palm family should avoid consuming dates. In summary, while dates have been traditionally associated with potential aphrodisiac effects and offer various health benefits, scientific research specifically focusing on their impact on libido is limited. Nevertheless, incorporating dates into a balanced diet can provide essential nutrients, energy, and antioxidant protection, supporting overall health and well-being. As with any dietary changes, it's essential to consider individual preferences, nutritional needs, and potential allergies or sensitivities.